Welcome to the VH video recipe book. In this short video we show you how to make fast and original filled waffles. With the VH commercial panini waffle maker in combination with the VH Savory waffle mix, you have a unique opportunity to add alternative lunch and dessert items to your menu. Now you are able to make filled waffles with sweet or salty fillings made from one dough mix. Add 1 kg of VH dough mix and 1.4 liters of water and mix on high speed for 2 minutes. When the waffle dough is ready, pour it into a container. Open the VH commercial cast iron panini waffle maker completely and add a small layer of dough on both sides of the grid. The unique savory waffle mix is delivered worldwide and comes in bags of 10 kilos. The dough has a 1-year shelf life and smaller packing is available for larger orders. When done, add your preferred waffle filling to the bottom plate of the VH waffle maker. While you are doing this, the dough is already starting to cook. When the filling is in place, the dough on the top grid is now dry enough to close the machine and finish the baking process. When the baking time is over, open the waffle maker and remove the waffle from the grid. The unique VH Savory waffle mix has a neutral taste and allows sweet and salty waffle fillings. One mix will fix everything. The sky is the limit, you can create your own personal waffle. You can make waffles filled with salmon, waffles filled with ham and cheese, waffles made with chocolate spread, or waffles filled with apples. All combinations are ready in 4 minutes or less. Due to the unique design of the VH commercial waffle maker, there is hardly any cleanup, and the simple technique ensures that anyone can do the job. The waffle maker is available for 110-150 volts or 210 to 250 volts. The reversible cast iron grid ensures great baking results time after time. The low production cost of the waffle in combination with the size and the numerous filling options turns this product into a real moneymaker. Be the first in your area with this unique product. Call us today or visit our website at www.belgianwaffleironstore.com.